In the depths of Earth's history, fascinating formations tell tales of our planet's evolution. From majestic mountains that scrape the sky to vast oceans that cradle mysteries beneath their waves, the world is teeming with wonders. Lesser-known ecosystems thrive in unexpected places, showcasing a delicate balance essential for life. Climate change poses a threat, altering habitats and pushing species toward extinction at an alarming rate. By understanding these interconnections, we can appreciate the urgency of preserving our planet's treasures. Raising awareness about environmental protection is not just a responsibility, but a stepping stone towards a sustainable future for generations to come.